Welcome back to the quantum chemistry classes. We have discussed about the postulates of quantum mechanics and which is very relevant in defining the quantum mechanical aspects. We have already discussed about the time dependent Schrodinger wave equation Xi is equal to Ezi, and today we are going to discuss about time independent Schrodinger wave equation that is called. So the time independent Schrodinger wave equation for a matter wave propagating in one dimension and with a motion of particle of mass m is given by d square psi by dx square plus 8 pi square m divided by h square into e minus v into psi is equal to 0. The same thing for 3 dimension, the equation will be d square psi by dx square plus d square psi by dy square plus d square psi by dz square plus 8 pi square m divided by h square into e minus v into psi equal to 0, and here E is the total energy and V is the electrostatic potential energy and m is the mass and h is the Planck's constant. So it is a second order differential equation. It can have of different solution. However, the solution of psi satisfying the following conditions are only considered. So those wave function called well behaved wave function, we already discussed about this. So in order to have the solution should be well behaved wave function, the psi must be single valued, psi must be continuous, psi must be finite, it should satisfy the boundary condition, and it must be quadratically integrable. Next one is the translation motion of a particle. So in order to define the translation motion, consider a particle which is allowed to move in a limited space. Such a model is usually called particle in a box model. So here we are considering the particle in a one-dimensional box, which serves as the simplest case for the treatment of a bounded electron in atoms and molecules. So why we are taking this particle in a box model? So particle in a box model which serves as the simplest case for the treatment of a bonded electron in atoms and molecules. So the same thing, we are putting one particle in a box, and this particle in a box can be treated as the particle electron bounded in atoms and molecules. So particle in a box. For a particle in a one-dimensional box, the time independent Schrodinger wave equation can be Hψ is equal to the time independent Schrodinger wave equation is Hψ is equal to E psi. For a particle in one-dimensional box, the time time independent Schrodinger wave equation is d square psi by dx square plus 8 pi square m divided by h square into e minus v into psi is equal to 0. So we know inside the box potential energy is 0. So the equation will become d square psi by dx square plus 8 pi square m divided by h square into E psi is equal to 0. So this will be the equation 1. So we are putting 8 pi square me by h square is equal to k square. We are giving a value 8 pi square me by h square is equal to k square. So then the equation will simplify d square psi by dx square plus k square into psi is equal to 0. So this will be the equation 2. So it is a second order differential equation, and we can have the solution for these equations. So this is equation 2 and this one is equation 1. So it's a second order differential equation, and one of the solution for this equation is equal to psi is equal to a sin kx plus b cos kx. So this is a solution for this equation. So I am giving this as equation 3, Equation 3. So this is a case, this is a particle in a one-dimensional box. So we are considering this as a box of length x is equal to a. So inside the box you can see the potential energy is equal to 0. Inside the box there is no energy. So V is equal to 0. So this is the length of the box. At the end x is equal to 0 to x is equal to a. So inside the box potential energy is equal to 0. And outside the box potential energy is equal to infinity. So for outside the box V is equal to infinity and the Schrodinger wave equation become. So what will be the Schrodinger wave equation? D square psi by dx square plus 8 pi square m divided by x square into e minus V is equal to infinity. So e minus infinity into psi is equal to 0. This is the equation for outside the box. So this equation is satisfied only if psi is equal to 0 everywhere outside the box, or particle can't be seen outside the box. That is, the particle is confined within the box. So we cannot take the outside condition V is equal to infinity. So because this equation is satisfying only when the particle is inside the box. So it is confined within the box. So psi must be 0 at the walls of the box. So that is x is equal to 0 and x is equal to a, psi must be 0. Psi must be 0. That means the particle is not visible at the boundary, or particle is not visible at the outside the box. Particle is confined within the box. So here you can see, in previous case here you can see, this is the boundary condition, x is equal to 0 and x is equal to a. Particle is confined within the box. So there is no visibility at the boundary condition. So we are applying this to the boundary condition. So we will get psi is equal to 0 at x is equal to 0 and x is equal to a. So on applying the boundary condition, psi is equal to 0 when x is equal to 0. So what will be the solution for the equation? We have seen that the solution is psi is equal to a sin kx plus psi is equal to a sin kx plus b cos kx. So we are applying this condition, psi is equal to 0 when x is equal to 0. So psi is equal to 0. So what will be the equation? A sin k into x is equal to 0. So a sin 0 plus b cos 0. B cos 0. So from this what we are getting? So 0 into a sin 0. Sin 0 is equal to 0. So b cos 0 is equal to 1. So b equal to 0. So what the solution what we got is b equal to 0. So we are applying this to the equation. B equal to 0. So the equation will become psi is 0 is equal to a sin kx. When b equal to 0, so then equation will become psi is equal to a sin kx. Psi is equal to a sin kx. So this is the one condition. So the solution become psi is equal to a sin kx. A sin kx. So I am giving this equation as equation 4. So the next one is psi equal to 0 when x is equal to a. So we are applying the second boundary condition, psi equal to 0 when x is equal to a. So what will be the equation? 0 is equal to a sin ka plus, so b equal to 0, that we already got. So 0 is equal to a sin ka. So a sin ka is equal to 0. So a sin k is equal to 0. That means the above equation satisfy only either a equal to 0. How this a sin k equal to 0? Either a equal to 0 or sin k equal to 0. Sin k is equal to 0. So if sin k a is a constant, so it should not be 0. So sin Ka should be 0. Sin Ka should be 0. So sin Ka should be 0 means what will be the value of K? Or so Ka is equal to n pi. So for what conditions? What conditions? So here you know sin 0 is equal to 0, sin n pi is equal to 0, sin pi is equal to 0, sin 180 is equal to 0, sin pi by 2 is equal to 1, so sin pi is equal to 0, sin 2 pi also is equal to 0. So that is why Ka is equal to, the value of Ka will be n pi. So K will be, what will be the K? K will be K is equal to n pi by A. N pi by A. So A cannot be equal to 0, or A or B becomes 0. If A or B becomes 0, then psi will be 0. So there is no meaning in that. So psi will be 0 at all values of x. So it is, to an acceptable solution of psi, sin Ka will be 0, then Ka is equal to n pi, Ka is equal to n pi by A, n pi by A. So what will be the solution? Psi is equal to A sin n pi by A into x, n pi by A into x. The next one is n is equal to 0. We cannot take n is equal to 0. N is equal to 0. We cannot choose n is equal to 0. Why? Because if n is equal to 0, then psi will be 0 for all values of x. It is not a reality. Okay. The psi is a wave function. The value of wave function should not be 0. So n should not be 0. N should not be 0. Why? Why n should not be 0? N is equal to 0 means psi equal to 0 for all values of x, and it is not a reality. It is not a reality. So now what I am doing is I am going to apply the boundary condition on. So now we are applying the normalization condition to the equation. So integral 0 to A, this is the limit. This is the limit, or this is the boundary of the box 0 to A. So we are trying to find out the value within the box. So the solution will be A sin n pi by A into x into A sin n pi by A into x star, because this is a complex conjugate into dx is equal to 1. So what is the boundary condition? Integral psi star d tau is equal to 1. Within the limit integral psi star d tau is equal to 1. So the psi value we obtain from here is A sin n pi by A into x. So this is a psi into psi star. A sin n pi by A into x into star is given here. So star into dx is equal to 1. Dx is equal to 1. So what will be the solution? So we are rearranging A into A star, okay, A into A star into 0 to A sin n pi by A into x into sin n pi by A into x, that is equal to sin square n pi by A into x into dx is equal to 1. So A star into integral 0 to A sin square n pi by A into x into dx. So sin square x, we can write sin square x. So A into A star is equal to so what we are doing here, A into A star into 0 to A into sin square n pi by A into x into dx is equal to 1. So what I am doing here is I am rearranging sine square x in terms of 1 minus cos 2x by 2. 1 minus cos 2x by 2. So equation will become a into a star into integral 0 to a sine square x is equal to 1 minus cos 2x. So 1 minus cos 2 into what is the x value? N pi by a. Cos 2 into n pi by a into x. 1 minus cos 2x divided by 2 into dx is equal to 1. So this is the equation now. So a into a star into integral 0 to a 1 minus cos 2x cos 2 n pi by a into x divided by 1 minus cos 2x by 2. So 1 minus cos 2 n pi by a into x divided by 2 into dx is equal to 1. So now this is the equation. So on rearranging this equation, what we are going to get? A into a star divided by 2 integral 0 to a dx. So this is the two difference. So integral 0 to a 1 dx minus integral 0 to a cos 2 n pi by a into x by 2 n pi by a into x. So we have to do like this. So integral 0 to a into 1 dx minus integral 0 to a into cos 2 n pi by a into x dx, that is equal to 1. Now this is the equation. So a star divided by 2 into integral 1 dx, what is the value? X is equal to 0 to a. 1 dx means x. So applying the boundary condition 0 to a minus what is the equation? Sine, what is the value? Cos 2x. Cos 2x in the value endana? Sine 2x divided by 2. So sine 2 n pi by a into x divided by 2 n pi by a into integral 0 to a that is equal to 1. So a star divided by 2 into, when we are applying the upper limit x is equal to a, so it will become a, then lower limit is 0, so we can neglect this. So upper limit, only applying the upper limit 0 to a minus, here when we are applying the upper limit, what will be? So here you can see what is the solution. So we are applying the upper limit a, so sine 2 n pi by a into x value is a. So a is a, both a's get cancelled. So what will be? Sine 2 n pi. Sine 2 n pi, what is the value? Sine n pi is equal to 0. Sine 0 pi is equal to 0. Sine 1 pi equal to 0. So this value, upper limit is getting cancelled by giving this value. So it is equal to 0. Then lower limit, what is the lower limit value? 0. So we are applying x is equal to 0. So sine 2 n pi by a into 0, that means sine 0. Sine 0, what is the value? 0. So this sine term overall we can get cancelled. So a into a star by 2 into a minus 0 is equal to 1. Now this is the solution will what we got. So a into a star into a by 2. Okay, so what will become? So this will become a into a star is equal to, this 2 is a by 2 into a by 2. So if it is coming here 2 by a, that is equal to 2 by a. 2 by a. So a into a star is equal to 2 by a, which is a real number. So a into a star means a square. A square is equal to 2 by a. So a is equal to root 2 by a. A is equal to root 2 by a. So we are applying this to the equation. Thus we have psi of x is equal to root 2 by a into sine n pi by a into x. Psi of x is equal to root 2 by a into sine n pi by a into x. Now this is the solution for this particle in a one-dimensional box. So psi of x is equal to root 2 by a into sine n pi by a into x. Now we have to give different conditions, and we have to see the value of psi when applying different values. So we have to solve that. So we will do this in the next class. Thank you all.